Welcome to AIO Universe. In this series, we look at the planets of our solar system. In this video, we look at the first two planets of our solar system, Mercury and Venus. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. It takes 87.97 days to complete one revolution. That is, one Mercuric year is equivalent to 88 days approximately. Mercury looks like Earth's moon. It has craters and plain land. Mercury has a large iron core which makes it extremely dense. It has a density of 5.43 grams per centimeter cube. Mercury has a surface temperature ranging from minus 183 degrees Celsius to 427 degrees Celsius. Such a huge variation is due to the fact that some regions like these craters never face the sun and remain frozen as ice caps throughout the year, whereas these regions which face the sun and become as warm as 427 degrees Celsius. Mercury is named after the Roman god Mercury, meaning God's messenger. Mercury has a radius of more than 2400 km and a mass of 3.3 into 10 to the power 23 kg, which is 0.05 times the mass of Earth. Mercury has an acceleration due to gravity of 3.7 meter per second square, that is 0.38 times the gravity of Earth. That is, if you would weigh 100 kg on Earth, you would weigh 38 kg on Mercury. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, thus it is not the hottest planet even after being the closest to the sun. Now we move on to Venus, the second planet of our solar system. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Named after the Roman god of love and beauty, this planet is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after Moon. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate about its axis. It has a revolution period of 225 days, meaning that a day on Venus lasts longer than an year. Venus has a radius of 6052 kilometers and a mass of 4.87 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Its radius is 95% that of Earth, hence it is called Earth's sister planet. The acceleration due to gravity on Venus is 8.87 meter per second square, which is 0.9 times that of Earth. Hence, if you would weigh 100 kg on Earth, you would weigh 90 kg on Venus. Venus has a surface temperature of 425 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. This is due to its thick atmosphere which contains 96% carbon dioxide. Due to such high amount of carbon dioxide, high amount of greenhouse effect is produced which retains a lot of heat and makes the surface warm. Now we will compare the time taken by Mercury and Venus to revolve around the sun. As you can see, Mercury completes 2.5 rounds till Venus completes its one round. This means that the time taken by Venus is 2.5 times the time taken by Mercury. Now let us compare the size of Mercury and Venus with the size of Earth and Moon. Now let us compare Mercury and Venus with their velocities. To do this, we will remove the sun so that it does not have a gravitational influence on both of them. As you can see, Mercury has a very high velocity compared to Venus. This is all for today.